Hello everyone. Have you ever pondered pears? A fruit that's so understated, yet it packs an irresistible allure. They don't sparkle like strawberries or boast the grace of cherries. But pears are the ideal sidekick, from a simple morning meal to an elegant after-dinner treat. And have you ever wondered how these sweet, succulent pears journey from vibrant orchards to your plate? In the U.S., cultivating pears is more than a profession. It's a passionate endeavor. Each year, around 625,000 tons of pears are gathered. That's plenty for every American to savor pears every day without a shortage in sight. But pears are beyond just a fruit. They're icons of fall, key elements in cozy, hearty recipes. And sometimes, one pear can whisk you back to joyful childhood moments. So gear up, pick up a pear, and let's dive into this delightful, crunchy escapade together, a glimpse into the world of a pear tree. Let's begin with some fascinating tidbits about pears and their charming trees. Pear trees are like the wallflowers of the fruit kingdom. They grow patiently and quietly. But when they flower, wow, it's spectacular. These trees produce stunning white blooms in spring, as if they're ready for a floral celebration. They prefer well-drained earth, mild weather, and a bit of waiting. It takes 4 to 7 years for a pear tree to bear fruit. That's true dedication. The fruit is nature's work of art. Pears are sleek, sugary, and a tad gritty, like a treat with the perfect bite. They vary in hues: green, yellow, red, and even brown, and in forms. Yet, they all have one thing in common: they're scrumptious. From Bartlett to Anjou, Boss to Seckel, every pear has its unique vibe. Fun fact: pears are among the earliest farmed fruits, tracing back to ancient times. Our forebears knew a good thing: the epic U.S. pear harvest. Now, onto the highlight: gathering 625,000 tons of pears. That's correct, 625,000 tons. Picture a pear pile taller than the Empire State Building and wider than the horizon. Most come from the Pacific Northwest, led by Washington, Oregon, and California. These areas offer the ideal blend of weather and dirt: chilly evenings, sunny days, and porous soil that pears love. Harvesting pears is serious business. These fruits are fragile stars, bruising easily if not treated gently. Growers use a mix of careful hands and advanced tools to make it happen. The season kicks off in late summer or early fall, based on the type. Pickers hand-select each pear, placing them in padded containers to avoid damage. It's hands-on work, but quality demands it. Handpicking is a cherished tradition for good reason. It lets farmers choose ripe ones precisely, keeping pears flawless. This approach shines for top-tier varieties sold fresh, where looks and feel matter most. Plus, it creates jobs in rural areas, boosting local economies and keeping old-school farming alive. On bigger farms, machines assist by moving bins or gently shaking trees with soft arms to collect fruit without harm. Harvesting is an art form, blending human skill with tech to bring you spotless, tasty pears from tree to container, then to your kitchen. Every stage shows care and passion for farming. After picking, pears head to trucks and off to processing plants, where their adventure continues. The pears factory journey: post-harvest magic at the plant. Pears get star treatment. First up, a cleansing soak. They're rinsed to wash away soil, leaves, and any tiny bugs. This isn't just hygiene, it's a spa session after sunbathing. In U.S. factories, dry cleaning uses brushes, rollers, and air jets to gently remove grime without water, keeping the fruit's natural shield intact. Next, experts and smart cameras check them. Flawed or misshapen pears are set aside, often for juice or sauce, so nothing's wasted. The good ones are graded by size, shade, and grade. Belts move them past rollers, scanners, and even lasers to meet top standards. Smaller spots might use manual checks with some automation, while big operations rely on AI for spot-on sorting. No matter the setup, the aim is the same: premium pears separated from the rest. Tech speeds things up, cuts mistakes, and keeps everything consistent. delighting buyers and building brand trust. Once graded, pears are boxed, tagged, and shipped to stores, markets, and even abroad. But wait, some become canned delights, preserves, or dried snacks, letting you enjoy pears anytime. Pears in U.S. economy, culture, and everyday life. Pears play a huge role in America's wallet and heart. Economically, they're a powerhouse. The industry supports over 13,000 jobs in Washington and Oregon alone, with a value exceeding $500 million yearly. Exports to places like Mexico and Canada bring in $150 million, while imports add variety. Washington leads production at about 280,000 tons, followed by Oregon, 210,000 tons, and California, 135,000 tons. This creates seasonal work, strengthens rural towns, and keeps traditions alive. Culturally, pears symbolize fall's warmth. Think pear pie at Thanksgiving or poached pears in fancy meals. Oregon even named the pear its state fruit in 2005. They're woven into history, brought by early settlers. They've starred in folklore and songs like The 12 Days of Christmas. In daily life, pears are versatile heroes. Eat them fresh for a healthy snack, packed with fiber and vitamins. Bake them into tarts, or blend into smoothies. They're comfort food in soups, salads, or grilled with cheese. And for families, they're a fun way to teach kids about nature. From orchard visits to home growing, pears remind us of simple joys, a crisp bite on a crisp day, evoking memories and bringing people together. So next time you grab a pear, remember its journey, from quiet tree to your table. It's not just fruit, it's a slice of American heritage. What's your favorite pear moment? Share below. Pear sparkles. Pears contribute significantly to the U.S. economy, generating millions of dollars in revenue each year, from the farmers who grow them to the workers in processing plants and the truck drivers who deliver them. Pears create jobs and livelihoods. They're also a major export product, with American pears making their way to countries like Canada, Mexico, and beyond. In domestic markets, pears are a beloved staple. They're featured in everything from holiday gift baskets to school lunch boxes, making them a reliable source of income for many. Pears aren't just about dollars and cents. They're a part of American life. Who hasn't enjoyed a slice of pear pie at Thanksgiving or a crisp pear salad during a summer barbecue? Pears are the unsung heroes of countless recipes, adding a touch of sweetness and sophistication to every dish. They're also a symbol of tradition and family. Many pear orchards in the U.S. are family-owned, passed down through generations. Visiting a pear orchard to pick fruit is a cherished autumn activity for families, combining fun, fresh air, and a little exercise. Plus, there's nothing quite like biting into a pear you picked yourself. From the orchard to the factory, pears live a life full of adventure and purpose. They're not just fruits, they're a symbol of hard work, tradition, and joy. Whether you're slicing them into a salad, baking them into a pie, or simply enjoying them fresh, remember the incredible journey that brought that pear to your plate. So the next time you take a bite of a juicy pear, give a little nod to the farmers, factory workers, and everyone else who made it possible, because let's face it, life would be a lot less sweet without pears. So that's the story about pears. Hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when our exciting videos go live. Goodbye.